When you're a busy student, you haven't always got time to faff around baking cakes. So my easy, no-bake fridge cake is a perfect alternative for any student party. First, you need to weigh out all of your dry ingredients. Then melt a tablespoon of butter and golden syrup with your dark chocolate over a pan of simmering water. Once the chocolate is all melted and glossy, chuck in your remaining dry ingredients and give it all a good mix. Transfer to a non-stick silicone pan and pop in the fridge for at least 3 hours. And there you have it. Once sliced, it's a perfect cake for any student party.